Research project guidelines. All students are to complete a research project. Since the outbreak of COVID-19, online learning has taken on many different meanings. Your project will focus on online learning during the crisis. You will research the following. What does online learning look like during the current pandemic? How does it vary from level of education to type of instruction being used? What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? What is your opinion on online learning? Now, with those guidelines, you can focus on one in particular if you like if one question really is something that you're interested in looking into, that's fine over another. It's all good, as long as your project focuses on the COVID-19 and online learning. The project has 3 parts that are required. You need the creation of a document. You can use either Google Docs or you can use Microsoft Word to create your document or your paper, which will address one or more of those questions being asked. Okay, and in the document, again, you're going to write a 2 to 3 page MLA formatted paper on your topic. There's a PowerPoint on MLA citations in the course that is posted in the important course documents, along with where you find these guidelines. The second part is the creation of a chart using a spreadsheet. So you can either use Microsoft Excel if you have that, or Google Spreadsheets, and you're going to create a chart. That's basically going to be a bar graph, a pie graph, whatever, a line kind of chart, whatever you find, any kind of data that you find that you can use to create a chart, you will use that way. Presentation. You're then going to use either Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides and create a 5 to 10 slide presentation presenting the material you researched. So first you go and you find your sources, whatever they may be. Okay, you're going to be able to find a lot of current stuff, so find what seems to be appealing for you and let your research take you where it has to. Okay, once you do that, write your paper. From your research, you should have some kind of number, some kind of statistics, or anything that was generated that you can use to create a chart of any of the data. Okay, I'll give you a little leeway there. It doesn't have to be anything perfect, just whatever data you can find that you can create a nice, meaningful chart from. After that, present that information to me in 5 to 10 slides, either through PowerPoint or Google Slides. This research project in total counts for 20% of the course grade. I suggest you get it started early, okay? If you have questions, please email me and I will handle them. Have a great day.